Stop doing push-ups like this if you want real muscle growth today. This small adjustment instantly changes how your chest muscles activate completely today. Most people perform push-ups wrong without realizing the damage they cause daily. Your muscles stay weak because tension disappears during every push-up repetition performed. Muscle growth requires constant tension, control, and proper full body alignment always maintained. Start by positioning your hands slightly wider than shoulder width for stability. Spread your fingers and grip the floor to create powerful tension immediately. This simple grip activates your chest, shoulders, and arms much more effectively. Now tighten your core like preparing to absorb a heavy punch forcefully. Strong core tension protects your spine and improves push-up performance dramatically overall. Next, squeeze your glutes tightly to stabilize your entire body completely now. This prevents energy leaks and increases total muscle activation instantly during push-ups. Pull your shoulders down and back before lowering your body slowly downward. This activates chest muscles properly instead of overloading your shoulder joints dangerously. Lower your body slowly for maximum muscle tension and strength development benefits. Never drop down fast if you want real muscle growth results faster. Pause briefly above the floor while maintaining full body tension completely throughout movement. This pause increases muscle fiber recruitment and builds strength faster naturally today. Now push upward explosively while keeping your entire body tight, always engaged. Explosive movement increases strength and activates more muscle fibers during push-ups effectively. Always keep your body straight from head to heels during push-ups. Sagging hips reduce chest activation and increase risk of lower back injuries. Raising hips too high shifts tension away from your chest muscles unnecessarily. Perfect alignment ensures maximum muscle activation and safer push-up performance overall today. Focus on controlling every repetition instead of rushing through push-ups carelessly ever. Slow push-ups increase time under tension and stimulate faster muscle growth effectively. Fast push-ups reduce tension and limit real strength development significantly over time. Proper breathing improves performance and helps maintain strong tension during push-ups consistently. Inhale slowly while lowering your body under complete control and tension maintained. Exhale forcefully while pushing upward to maximize strength output and stability instantly. Feel your chest muscles working harder with correct push-up technique applied properly. This stronger activation leads to faster muscle growth and visible chest development. Even beginners can transform their push-ups using this simple tension secret. Advanced athletes use this technique to maximize strength and muscle performance daily. Small adjustments create massive differences in muscle activation and training results overall. Focus on quality repetitions instead of chasing higher repetition numbers carelessly. Muscle growth depends on proper activation, not just exercise quantity alone ever. Train smarter and your body will respond faster with powerful strength gains. This technique transforms basic push-ups into advanced muscle-building movements instantly today. Your chest, arms, and core activate together using proper push-up tension. Stronger activation creates faster results and improves overall upper body strength. You will notice improved control and strength within weeks of training. Consistency combined with proper technique produces the best muscle growth results. Always prioritize correct form over speed during every push-up repetition performed. Perfect technique protects joints and maximizes long-term strength development safely overall. Train with intention and focus to unlock your real strength potential. This secret separates average push-ups from powerful muscle-building push-ups instantly today. Apply this technique during every workout to maximize your results faster. Your future strength depends on mastering this push-up technique starting today. Subscribe now and learn more secrets to build powerful muscles faster.